are 16 network protocols that you have to learn. There are so many. So let's start off with what are network protocols? These are a set of rules used by two or more devices on a network to describe the order of delivery and the structure of the data. So let's start off with the Transmission Control Protocol, or the TCP. This establishes the communication. It allows two devices to form a connection and stream data, such as the TCP handshake. The next protocol is Address Resolution Protocol, or ARP. And this is used to determine the MAC address of the next router or device on the path. It translates the IP address. This does not have a specific port number. It is a network layer communication protocol that maps IP addresses to physical machines or a MAC address recognized on the local network. Remember that the MAC address is permanent. Perfect. User Data Protocol, or UDP. This is a protocol that does not establish a connection between devices before transmission. Okay? The next type of protocol is the HyperText Transfer Protocol, HTTP. This is the foundation of any data exchange on the web. It fetches and transmits hypermedia documents such as HTML files. It is an application layer communication protocol that allows the browser and the web server to communicate with one another. The next protocol is the Domain Name System, or DNS. It is a network protocol that translates and maps internet domain names into IP addresses. The next one is File Transfer Protocol, FTP, and this allows to download, upload, and transfer of files from one location to another on the internet and computer systems. The next one is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP. And this is a TCP/IP protocol used in sending and receiving email. It transmits and routes emails from the sender to the recipient's address. It works with a message transfer agent, an MTA. The next protocol, which is the most common one, is the Internet Protocol, the IP. This sends the data packets to the correct destination. The next one is Post Office Protocol, so the POP tree, POP tree, manages and retrieves email from a mail server, like when you refresh your inbox, okay? This protocol is unencrypted and is in plain text. The encrypted emails use secure sockets, which would be like the HTTPS, okay? And this protocol uses the port 995. So I think that's also important, which ports they use. The next protocol is, there's so many. Internet Message Access Protocol, or the IMAP, is used for incoming emails and downloads the headers of emails, but not the content, okay? So when you send an email, this is the one that is in charge of just the header of the email. The content remains on the email server. It uses two ports, port 143 for unencrypted email and port 993 over the TLS protocols. Telnet sends information in clear text and uses command line prompts to control another device, similar to Secure as the hash or SSH, and can connect to local or remote devices. This one uses port 23. Simple Network Management Protocols, SNMP, is an Internet Standard Protocol used to monitor and manage network devices connected over an IP. The next one is the Internet Control Message Protocol, or ICMP. This is a protocol that devices within a network use to communicate problems with data transmission. It is used by the router and the host and other intermediary devices to communicate error information and updates. The next one is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP. Oh my God, there are a lot of protocols we have to learn. Is from the management family of network protocols that is used to configure devices. It provides a unique IP address to the appropriate DNS server and default gateway. It operates on port 67, so 67 for servers and port 68 for clients. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, the HTTPS, is a network protocol that provides a secure method of communication between clients and web servers, and this one uses port 443. And the last one is the Secure File Transfer Protocol, SFTP, uses port 22, secure shell, and advanced encryption standards. The SSH creates a secure connection with a remote system. It operates over port 22 and it is more secure than the Telnet. So these are just a few of the network protocols that we have to learn. There's 16 and I think there are more. Okay, so yes, all of this can be found from page 74. Let me show you. Okay. 2 pages 77. Yes, 77. Awesome. So that would be all. See you on the next video. Bye bye.